What is up, YouTube? This is Sheep Survival. Coming back at you again with yet another video. Today is my April EDC update. And as you can see, my EDC has changed somewhat since the last time. Not a lot, but start with this. Got my paracord keychain. I think there's like 45 feet of paracord in it. Got a Kershaw K tool, big lighter, a little key knife, bottle opener, that was weird, lucky penny, keys, has a compass, and then you've all seen this before, Shearfield multi-tool. One thing I never really noticed that's on here, it's a can opener / bottle opener. I was playing with it the other day, figured that out. Pen, little notebook to write in. 2 paracord bracelets, carry one on both arms. These are actually a new design I've been working on. They're the King Cobra design. So as you can see, you can see it better on this one. Yeah, you can see it as the original bracelet, and it's wrapped again. Got a wallet. Will not show you that. Got my Kershaw shuffle. Great knife. You see that much? No. Little torch lighter. Then I got this little thing, which I'm using for my change because I can't figure out what I do with my change container. And then it's a main knife. This I got from Diane from Snow Fog Outdoors. The only thing I've done to it is I changed the paracord because the other one wasn't quite big enough. So I was saying, open down number 8, carbon steel. Beautiful, beautiful knife. And last but not least, we have the bag, which itself has changed. I'm gonna pull this off the table, and I'll get right back to you. Let's get into the bag. This first pocket, got these little pressed towels. Seen a video on those. Got another one of these P51 can openers. It's a cool little thing to have. Now, as you can see in here, now first off, in the frame here, see I have another lighter, 2 torch lighters. This should show how much I care about making fires. 3 lighters. And got a flint and steel. Well, not flint and steel. Ferrocerium rod. That is a lot of fire material, but a little pill bottle here. Some Tylenol, stuff like that. Got my mini multi-tool. Pretty cool little thing. Put this stuff back as I go. Got a thing of chapstick. Good to keep around. Little memory stick. It's a 16 gigabyte one. Then I got some glucose pills just in case blood sugar drops. Got one of my fire kits. Now, keep in mind, that is, trying to get this in frame here, trying this on my workbench, see how it goes. That is 1, 2, 3 lighters, ferrocerium rod with striker, and a fire kit. 10 matches in here. Well, there's actually 30 because they're 3. And I'm probably going to be experimenting more with matches and stuff like that. Improve way of fire. Got that. I added some zip ties in here. There's 4 of them. They're zip tied together. Cotton bandana. Got a little knife. This I only use to pretty much put it under my nails. Backup flashlight. And in here, my little medical section. Just a little boo-boo kit. Band-aids, some Neosporin, some tin foil, stab gauze, hand cleaning wipes, anti-diarrhea pills, water purification tablets. I will say these are the ridiculously long 4-hour ones, but I figured as a good backup, it's nice to have in there. But found those on sale. Figured I'd check it out. So all this is back in there, and just a little side note, I will probably be overhauling this over the next couple weeks. Fit more stuff. I know I got my main flashlight, which this is a sheath I made for my open L, but yeah, as I said, I will be overhauling all this probably because not really liking it too much how it is. So it will most likely be getting an overhaul. Now, if you can't tell, this thing is bulging with stuff. Okay, now as you can see, that's my EDC update. Just want to share this real quick with you, but out of boredom, I tried making a sheath out of paracord for my own canal. Looks kind of like shit. Came out pretty good, but kind of looks like crap. But I got bored, so it works. But another thing is, this thing can also fit my flashlight. See? Okay. Now, I'm not sure where I stopped that, but made this little sheath. Made it from open L, but it fits my flashlight pretty good. And thought that was cool. So I added the paracord that came with this on it. Talk about a multi-use product. Yeah, that is it actually. That is my EDC for... Alright, I'm back. That is my EDC for April 2016. Well, I'll do another mid-April EDC update, but this is it for the next couple weeks, and we'll be seeing a new knife, because did a knife trade with another YouTuber, Mad Maiden. I can never pronounce his name right, but he sent me a couple knives, so EDC will probably change again, but that is it. This has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out.